More breaking news, a judge in Riverside has just ruled on whether a double murder suspect was sane at the time of the shootings.
Two teenagers were gunned down inside a movie theater. An Inland Empire reporter, Leticia Juarez, with more on the judge's decision and why defense attorneys say the accused killer is not a bad person.
A judge ruled 22-year-old Joseph Jimenez sane in the July 2021 murders of 18-year-old Riley Goodridge and 19-year-old Anthony Barajas as the couple sat and watched a movie in a Corona movie theater. Defense attorney Charles Kenyon arguing Jimenez was not rational and in the throes of schizophrenia when he shot the teens.
We all agree that schizophrenia caused this. Joseph Jimenez is not a bad person, but the legal burden is what it is. At the end of the day, unarmed people that have their backs turned to you, that don't appear to overtly present a threat, is not, under any circumstances, something you can defend from an objective perspective.
During closing arguments, Kenyon told the court he was misguided by the voices. In the theater, he thought he had no options. He was acting out of fear in defense of his friends and family. But the prosecution countered the argument with Jimenez's actions during and after the murders, using Jimenez's own testimony. The prosecution pointing out he knew the victims were innocent and that he didn't have to kill them, but that he made up his mind to do so 20 minutes prior to shooting them, even though the voices that urged him on had gone silent. The prosecution arguing he knew he did something morally wrong and fled. No one was commanding him to do anything or threatening him. Kenyon says due to legal rules, Jimenez had to testify in his own insanity trial.
I don't think Joseph told a lie in his own mind up on that stand, but the reality was he heard his own case.
In a statement to Eyewitness News, Riverside County District Attorney Mike Hestron said in part, "This will not bring back the lives of Anthony and Riley, but it will bring a measure of justice for their families." Jimenez will be sentenced to state prison in February.
Hello, I'm Mark Brown. Get more great ABC7 content by clicking the subscribe button for our YouTube channel and download the ABC7 Los Angeles streaming app on Fire TV, Android TV, Apple TV, and Roku to watch on your TV.